Well, hey class, this is Dr. Walid Ghodbane. I'm from Tunisia University. I have a BS in accountancy and a master's degree in information systems and a PhD from University of Manouba from Tunisia. I joined the Department of Management Science, University of Manouba since 2005, and I'm now with the Department of Management Science with University of Tunis in Tunisia. I was awarded the IVLP International Visitor Leadership Program from the U.S. Department of State, Scaling Technology Digital Startups. My research interests include entrepreneurship, strategic management, and of things, management information systems. I'm a fellow of the AES, Association of Information Systems, and I'm a member and reviewer for several conferences, international conferences renowned in the information system discipline, such as ISIS, American Conference on Information Systems, etc. My research interests focus also on scaling technology startups and developing startups ecosystems. Well, this course helps students see the connection between information systems and business performance. The aim of this course, the MIS course, the Management Information Systems course, is to enable students to assess the opportunities and problems that managers in a wide range of organizations face. They attempt to use these IT applications, information technology applications, to add value to their businesses. This course of MIS, Management Information Systems, also aims to help students understand transformational changes within and across industries. Well, these changes have strategic implications for many businesses. At the end of this course, students will be able to first explain basic concepts for IT/IS management, information technology, information system management. Second, discuss organizational, business, and strategic issues surrounding IT, information technology, and information system, and analyze and evaluate uses of strategic IT, information system, information technology in practice. The course is planned. We have in this course 6 lessons. We will start with information systems in global business today. Then we'll move to global e-business and collaboration. Then IT infrastructure and emerging technologies at lesson 3. Lesson 4 is about telecommunications, the internet, and wireless technology. Lesson 5 is about e-commerce, digital markets, and digital goods. And finally, with lesson 6, we have foundations of business intelligence, databases, and information management. The textbook and readings for this course, Loudon and Loudon, Management Information Systems, 2014 edition. Information systems in global business today. This is the first lesson, the first session of the first lesson. At the end of this lesson, students can be able to answer these questions. What is the role of information systems in business today? What are the perspectives on information systems? What are the contemporary approaches to information systems? As you may see in this figure, in this chart, the development of information technology capital investment. In 2012, American businesses spent over $500 billion on information systems, hardware, software, and telecommunications equipment. 85% of Intel's revenues in 2011 came from overseas sales of its microprocessors. So, how information systems are transforming business? The increase in wireless technology use and websites, also the increased business use of Web 2.0 technologies, the cloud computing, mobile digital platform allow more distributed work, decision making, and collaboration. The globalization opportunities that has drastically reduced costs by the use of internet on a global scale. It presents challenges, and opportunities. In the emerging fully digital firm, significant business relationships are digitally enabled and mediated. Core business processes are accomplished through digital networks. Key corporate assets are managed digitally. Digital firms offer greater flexibility in organization and management. We have time shifting and space shifting, anywhere, anytime. The growing interdependence between ability to use information technology and ability to implement corporate strategies and achieve corporate goals. Business firms invest heavily in information systems to achieve 6 strategic business objectives. First, with operational excellence. Second, to introduce new products, new services, and to use new business models. Third, to care about customer and supplier intimacy. 4, to improve decision making. 5th, to gain competitive advantage. And finally, 6, to survive in a global business today. The operational excellence is the improvement of efficiency to attain higher profitability. Information systems technology is an important tool in achieving greater efficiency and productivity. For instance, Walmart's retail link system links suppliers to stores for superior replenishment system. The new products, services, and business models, which is one of the strategic objectives of information systems. We have the business model, which describes how company produces, delivers, and sells product or service to create wealth. Information systems and technology, a major enabling tool for new products, services, and business models. We have common examples of the Apple's iPod, iTunes, Google's Android OS, and Netflix. These are an example of introducing new products with new services based on new business models. The customer and supplier intimacy. Well, actually, the firms around the world in the digital era, they have to care about the intimacy of customer and suppliers. Serving customers well leads to customer returning, which raises revenues and profits. With the high-end, for instance, hotels that use computers to track customer preferences and use to monitor and customize environment. Intimacy with suppliers allows them to provide vital inputs, which lowers costs. We have the GCPenney's information system, which links sales records to contract manufacturer. The improvement of decision making. So without accurate information, managers must forecasts, best guesses, but likely leads to what? To overproduction or underproduction of goods and services, misallocation of resources, poor response times, but also poor outcomes, raise costs, and lose customers. As you can see, the Verizon's web-based digital dashboard to provide managers with real-time data on customer complaints, network performance, line outages, etc. The operational excellence, the new product, services, business models, the customer and supplier intimacy, and the improvement of decision making constitute the basis of strategic objectives in information systems. Well, and all of this is to gain the competitive advantage, which is by delivering better performance, by charging less for superior products, by responding to customers and suppliers in real time. We have the main example, common example in this field by Apple, Walmart, UPS, and so on. In this chart, in this figure, we have the chart of how business firm and how information system have a direct impact by the interdependence between organization and of information technology. In fact, in contemporary systems, there is a growing interdependence between a firm's information systems and its business capabilities. Changes in strategy rules and business processes increasingly require changes in hardware, software, databases, and telecommunications. Often what the organization would like to do depends on what its systems will permit it to do.